subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we are going to learn a new topic. So today's topic name is subtraction without carry over. Subtraction means, so children, subtraction means to take away from a group or a number of things. We do subtraction that time use the sign minus. So children, when you take away from a group things, so we will subtract it, and that time we will use this sign. Subtraction two different ways. First way is a horizontal way. Example, 5 subtract 3. This is a horizontal way. And second one is vertical way. It means 5 subtract 3. Horizontal way means slipping line and vertical way means standing line. So these two different ways we have to subtract it. Now let's do some sums. Here, if 2 grapes are given, if we subtract 1 from 2, so it comes 1. First, we will see the horizontal way. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now, vertical way. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now let's see the another one sum. Here 5 birds are sitting. If one bird is fly away, so how many remaining? If 5 is there and one bird is fly away, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is a horizontal way. And 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is a vertical way. Now let's see the simple subtraction of one digit number without carryover. So let's see the one sum first. 8 minus 4. So 8 and 4 is the place value of ones. So 8 minus 4, it means 8 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 4 ones. So we write 4 under the ones place. So here 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now next, here next sum 6 minus 2. So we take away 2 from 6. Now the 6 and 2 is ones place. So how can we subtract 6 ones minus 2 ones is equal to 4 ones. We write 4 under the ones place. So it means 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now next, 9 minus 4. So 9 and 4's place value is ones. First 9 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 5 ones. We write 5 under the ones place. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now let's do the sum. Here 5 minus 2. So 5 and 2 is ones place. So first 5 ones minus 2 ones is equal to 3 ones. So we write 3 under the ones place. So here 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Nine minus 5 ones, it means 9 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 4 ones. So we write 4 under the ones place. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now next, here 4 minus 2. So 4 and 2 ones place. So how can we write? 4 ones minus 2 ones is equal to 2 ones. So we write 2 under the ones place. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Now here 4 minus 1 is given. So 4 and 1 is ones place. So how can we write? 4 ones minus 1 ones is equal to 3 ones. So we write 3 under the ones place. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So here 6 minus 2. 6 and 2 is where ones place. Yes, very good. So we can subtract 6 ones minus 2 ones. It means 4 ones. So how can we write? We write 4 under the ones place. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Well done. Good job, student. You all of you understood very well these concepts. Now, activity time. So, children, here some stars are given. Each star, some numbers are given. Example, 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So you can yellow color for this star. Like that you do all this sum. Solve it and which answer it comes from here, you have to color that star. Like that 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So here you can put yellow color. Here are some buttons are given. So here this left side 3 buttons are given and subtract right side 2 buttons. So which answer it comes? Only 1 button. Like that this activity you all of you do at home. Now homework time. Subtraction without carryover. Write any 5 sums for this concept. 1 digit. Understood? All of you solve any 5 sums related subtraction without carryover. hope all of you enjoyed today's topic. Thank you.